Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how we can easily download and install the Pyscreenshot library on Windows. So to install any library we need Python and pip. So first we will install Python and pip. Pip is used to download and install Python packages. So let's start and install Python and pip. At first go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type Python. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, python.org, click on it. We have reached the official website. Now when you will keep the cursor on downloads, the current version will be visible. That is 3.11.2 and we are downloading for Windows, which is fine. Click on it to download. The download started and completed. Double click on it to install. Minimize. Now you can see the setup started. At first what you need to do, click on this, add python.exe to path. You can click on install now as well as customize installation. We want to see what we are installing, so I'll go for the customize installation button. Click on it. On clicking you can see the optional features are checked, which is fine. It will install pip also. Pip is used to download and install Python packages and libraries, so keep it as it is. It will also install IDLE. IDLE is an ID to run Python programs. Okay, which is fine. Click on next. Now advanced option, you can directly click on install Python 3.11 for all users. Rest keep the same. This will also set the environment variables for Python. Python 3.11.2 will get installed here. You can click on browse to change the location, but keep it the same, it's fine. Click on install. Now the setup will begin. Now guys, the setup is successful. Click on close. So guys, we successfully installed Python and pip. Go to start, type cmd and click on open to open the command prompt. Now we will verify the installation and will install Pyscreenshot. Okay, so type python space -- version and press enter. You can see we installed the current version successfully. Now type the same command for pip space -- version to know the current pip version which you installed, which is fine. Now let us install Pyscreenshot. I hope you remember I told you that pip is used to download and install Python packages and libraries, so I'll be using pip command space install space the library name. Let's type it. Pyscreenshot. Press enter. Now it is downloading, then it will install. So guys, you can see we have successfully installed Pyscreenshot on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.